Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is some silicone stainless steel kitchen tongs. If you see the one that we got right here, it comes with a pack of two of them. One of them is a 9-inch and the other one is 12-inch. And these are heat resistant. And if you guys remember in the past, I actually reviewed another tong for the brand, which is slightly different. The one that we got in this slide right here is from a brand called Hotec. And the way how they designed it, if you can see this part right here is fully stainless steel. Alright, so once you take out both of them, this is what the product looks like. If you see right here, we do have the brand logo. And then right here, we do have like the non-slip grip that I mentioned earlier. But you see the way how they designed this part right here and this part right here, it is stainless steel. Alright, so you see from that video, it's slightly different. The bottom part right here, it doesn't have like the silicone part that you guys can see right here. That part right there is all fully stainless steel, but it's from the same exact brand. But first, let me actually open the product to show you guys what it looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take out the product, this is what the product looks like. So for the one that we got right here, if you can see it's like a light blue or blue color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But you see in the bottom right here, we do have the 9-inch. And top part right here, we do have 12-inch. So take off the wrapper to show you guys a better point of view of the product. So once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So for both of these are basically the same thing. Let me show you guys what one of them looks like. So right here, we do have the 9-inch one. If you see this part right here is a silicone material that's like non-stick. So when you guys are using to grab stuff, it won't slide off as easy compared to the other one that I showed you guys earlier, which this part right here is fully stainless steel. Top part right here, we do have a lock and unlock button. So when you guys unlock it, this is what happens. So it allows you guys to clamp stuff on here if you guys want to. And when you guys lock it, it doesn't allow you guys to move it anymore. So really cool design on here. And if you guys notice on the side, they also have like a silicone non-stick material. So that way when you guys are using it, you can definitely get a good grip. It actually feels pretty comfortable. That's also heat resistant as well. If you guys notice about the tong right here, they do have this high quality stainless steel material that should last you guys a really long time. So whether you guys want to use it casually to cook stuff, or if you guys want to use it for grilling stuff, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that it is dishwasher safe as well. So if you guys don't want to hand wash it, you can definitely throw in the dishwasher to do it as well. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality silicone kitchen tong that has the same design that's on here. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.